Hello everybody, this is Mark and welcome. Please subscribe and get notifications about videos I post. I'll create additional new videos from the comments, so please leave a comment, even if it's just to say hello. All your questions are welcomed. Let me know what you want me to research and or information on, and I'll create a small video about that and post it up there. Don't forget to hit the like button. Really appreciate that because it helps push the videos out to people who for a suggested comment for them to watch too. My videos are mainly discussion based, so I'll be able to discuss and show you things. Um, uh, I've created a playlist of cryptocurrency and we'll be able to add and update that. So please check out the playlist and find the area that you're interested in. With this is CryptoTab Browser, and I wanted to just give you the intro for it. It's something that I found a couple of months ago, did some research and use on it, and I've banged it all around and checking out some items. What it is going to do is show you at a base level, installing this is just another app. It is just like Edge, Chrome, Firefox, it adds another browser. And in that browser is embedded the engine to just calculate and work on hashes per second of a thread, and so many thread sections completed give you your BTC mining, or what we call Satoshi, which is one digit out of the 0.8th digit over. This is one Satoshi. So this would be 15,085 Satoshi. That's how we would say that. Again, this is just a browser, so it runs as an application. Other stuff's running behind. I have my utilizations low, and in some other videos I show you how to optimize that and why I don't have it at max and why I have it a little bit lower. And also we'll get into other videos for Cloud Boost. So this is running at almost 6,000. So if I do my Cloud Boost that I subscribe to for a month at a time to bank up or bump up my BTC amount in a shorter amount of time, you can see now this has jumped up to almost 12,000, twice as much. It's an X2 boost. So they guarantee you 2 times for whatever you're mining for that. There are other miners that I could get into. For instance, if I wanted to do a 5x, a 10x, a 15x, so 15 times 6,000, that's how many it would be running. But there is a cost for it. How much is that worth? Is it worth investing a couple more dollars, anywhere from 50 cents a month up to, a 330,000 hashes a second? You're basically subleasing one of their data center servers to get you, uh, you know, 600 dollars worth of Bitcoin in a month's time. Well, that may cost you $300 or something like that. But in the short amount of time, the more money you put into it, the more money you can gain from it. But also, I like to do it on the cheap. I have zero cost to run this, zero, on a base system that I installed on my laptop, my PC, and my phone. And I recommend installing it on your phone first. My laptop is kind of my development box. I just do all kinds of trash stuff and investigate all kinds of apps and bang things around. That is going to work, and then I'll install it on my PC and get the full capacity of it. And I installed it on my phone because not only did I want my 1,000 hashes a second on my phone that works, but I can use it as a central management, meaning I can just look at this number and see how much I've gone up. So in other videos, I'll discuss Cloud Boost. Um, I'll discuss all the difference between mined by you, mining network, and earnings, and how your mining network works. But basically, install it on your cell phone, then any like laptops, and work up to your biggest system that you have, and then you can see on your biggest system, and look, there it goes again, just went up. So I'm creating it just talking to you here. I'm creating it if it's minimized and I'm working on different apps or doing different things. It's running, it's mining. My cell phone that's sitting over there on the table is mining right now, and I'm not even touching it. It's doing 1,000 hashes a second. My laptop is doing 1,500 hashes a second, and my PC is doing 5,814 hashes a second. That combined gives me, every 10 minutes it calculates out and gives me my Satoshi that I've earned for mining in that time. What I'm hoping to do is keep just letting this grow and get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And then when I want to, I can cash it out and buy a boost. And that's what I did. That's why I have only $7.68 in 3 weeks, actually 2 weeks, that I did in a month. Or I should say I had some in there. So this is my active amount. This is totally what I've earned. This is totally what my network, we're all working on a common thread, has earned. And then this is the combined efforts of all of us that I know of for it. So with that, if I want to cash out, I technically could for $7.68, and this would all become zeros. And then my phone, laptop, and PC will start building this back up again. And then I can use that, let's say it's $8. I can use that $8 to go buy a soda with, go buy a beer with, or buy a boost. And then now instead of there being $7, this time next month there'll be $14 here. And then I can take that money plus my base, buy another boost, and be more. And so now it'd be 28 bucks in a month. And then I can boost it up and keep boosting it and just reinvesting my profits back into a booster until I reach the max boost. And then I'm just letting it crank out BTC. And therefore I can say, okay, in 6 months, I may have $300 and I've invested $0 into this. I've just used my profits to invest back in here. That's the best way to do it. If you have 20 bucks laying around and you want to invest in BTC, you can just straight up subscribe to a pool miner. You can straight up subscribe to a 10, 15x or whatever you want and instantly make that. But I wanted to do things that normal people would do on a common, and that is install the app, install it on your phone first, and then go around so that you get functionality and features that you can see it right then and there because your phone's running 24/7. And then go around and install it on any other systems, laptops, PCs, kids' PCs, the guest bedroom PC, whatever, wherever they're at. And then you can see that your number will grow even faster because they're all working independently and sending up their results into one dashboard. All right, thank you. Leave questions and comments and look at the playlist for any other detailed information.